I am Liam, and I am a strategy and fleet planner.
First, I check train stops, planned and unplanned. Then I look at commercial availability, the share of fleet ready to run. Next, depot saturation, how loaded our tracks are and what capacity remains. Finally, the daily trend. Weekdays and peaks jump out immediately.
Now, I plan depot stops in my simulation. I spot a weak period. On October 3rd, availability drops below target. I open the day plan to see all preventive tasks. I pick the ones with tolerance to move, prioritizing the largest impact on availability. I check the tooltip and spot a task on October 3rd that can be moved forward until October 12th. With 2 clicks, I shift it inside the tolerance window, keeping resources and the same depot. Recalculation, done. I return to the KPIS. Availability is back in range while depot saturation stays under threshold.
To add resilience, now I add contingency. With 2 simple clicks, I can insert a blocked slot or an unplanned stop that protects the peak. It's fully customizable. While I do this, I still keep an eye on the KPI, no drift. I also spot uneven depot load, so I switch execution to another service facility with spare capacity. The plan balances out. KPIs stay in range and saturation remains under threshold. This scenario is solid. I'm satisfied. I validate and publish. One shared version for everyone.